disconnected. We the Muslims, we are not united. That's why today what is happening in Burma, it will keep on happening. What is happening in Burma? Do you see any Muslim country that stand and say they condemn this issue? But most of the Muslim countries, they refuse to stand with these people. Most of the world refuse. They are massacring them and and the world is giving a blind eye. The world don't care what is happening. They are butchering them. A Muslim woman, they butcher her, they take the baby out. And the world is giving a blind eye. Muslim countries, what can you guys do? The nation, they don't put any sanction. They say they just condemn, only condemn by mouth. Being a Muslim in your by mouth and being a Muslim in your heart is different. Most of us are Muslim by mouth. We are not Muslim by heart. If we are Muslim by heart, we will stand with these people. We will help them. We will stand and show the international community. We don't agree with this. But Muslims, we are just Muslim by. If you are a good Christian or a good Muslim, we need to volunteer and do this. This is a work of God. This is something that Allah Akbar, la ilaha illallah. And the world is giving a black eye. You know, it's still happening. This is happening still now. It's still happening. But we just don't care. This is happening. Where are the Muslim leaders? What are you guys doing now? It's only talking that is active. It's only talking that is doing all the help. But we refuse. Just because these people are Muslim. I swear to God, if these people were Christian, you will... If these people were Christian, you will see the international world. German will defend them. If these people are Christian, America will defend them. If these people are Christian, England will defend them. But guess what? Because they are Muslim, that's why no country is defending them. Fuck. And then they are massacring them, nobody cares. The more I watch this video, you know, my heart is breaking because I keep on thinking, you know, it's early in the morning, but I have to wake up and make a video before I go to work. I just cannot believe this is happening. And we the